yun, ha?
Akala ko si Minzy.
Ganoon! Ano magaling? Alright, let's have the three groups on the stage. Team Groovy, group number 3, and Mac Via. Tawagin po natin lahat ng mga contestants to be here on the stage. Ito na, yung pagkakataon mo sa na i-test yung future. Kasi, syempre, you want to be a judge in the Philippines.
Ang hirap pala maging judge.
Whenever she does that reaction, diba? Diba? Sobra. Now, Sandy, is it gonna be group number 1, Team Groovy, group number 2, Mac Via, or group number 3, group number 3?
Sino sa tingin nyo?
Sino sa inyo? Sino sa tingin nyo? We have 2, 3. May dalawang nakawan doon. Pero ultimately, ang decision ay magmumula sa ating judge, Judge Dara.
Actually, lahat sila magagaling at mga cute. And thank you so much for your effort.
Palawan ko natin sila.
Pero since I have to pick only one.
Only one.
Okay. Gumawa sila ng sariling choreography. And then, akala ko nandiyan si Minzy. Group 3!
Group number 3! The winners would get gift checks coming from Pen Shop. But sa mga nanalo, group 1 and 2, please be here on the stage. Kasi hindi kayo uuwing talaga dahil may photo op kayo with our daughters. Group 1 and 2. There we go. Alright, picture tayo. Group 1 and 2. 3, stand by muna kayo. Group number 3, stand by muna. But in group 1 and 2, please be here to have a photo op with Miss Nerva. There we go. Thank you so much, group number 2. Group number 1. Ayan, no? I think that would be a tagline. Judge Dara saying your names. Diba? Galing. And of course, the winners. Group number 3. A photo with Sandy Harrison and Gibson from Manila. Palabahan mo natin lahat ng mga contestants on the stage. Thank you so much, Sarah. You know what? Everyone here break the traffic. Yung iba, kahapon pa nandito para sa event natin ngayon. We all break the traffic. We all waited in line just to see our favorite person sa Dara Park. You want to say something to all of our fans?
Oo, nakita ko kanina sa mga pictures na ang aga na dito, nakapila, ang init sa labas. So parang nag-worry ako kung okay lang ba kayo. Sobrang salamat sa inyong lahat. Nandiyan kayo lagi, kahit hindi na ako masyadong nakikita sa TV. So parang minsan malungkot ako na wala akong masyadong chance na magkita tayo. So parang sobrang thankful ako sa Pen Shop for making this event happen, and we're working hard on our next project. So sana supportahan niyo pa rin kami. Yan lang masasabi ko, mahal ko talaga kayo.
Ayun! You know, whatever happens, kung saan ka man umanbag, ayos na. Alam mo bakit? Kasi palagi ka nandito sa puso namin.
Talaga?
Oh, and right now, mas mapapalapit pa ang 100 fans or 150 fans because they'll have that chance to be here on the stage to have that photo with our Pen Shop brand ambassador, Miss Sandara Park. Alright, let's get it started. Ito na. Again, yung mga nanalo po kanina sa Meet and Greet Pass, yung mga nakapili na, please be on the stage. We're gonna have it by batches of 12 people each batch. So it's time to have it here on the stage. We're gonna do it right about now, guys. Kanina, again, on 100 lang po, originally, yung pumunta dito. But because our idol, is that good. Sabi na, no, 150 daw na natin. Alright. Ganon ka galing at ganon ka bait sa Sandara. Now, let's have the 12 people. First batch, 150 lucky fellas to have that meet and greet with our Pamansang Rumbrong Sandara Park. Again, I know everyone is taking their photos. Don't forget to use our official hashtag. It is SandaraX Headshot. Follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. It's all at Headshot, of course. Wow. I have to do that song more. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Batch number 2, you're gonna get ready. Thank you so much, batch number 1. On stage, we have Pinky as well. Wow! Ganon katindi si Miss Sandara. That's why we love her so much. And get this. Yung mga pumunta dito on stage will not just get a photo op, but a signed poster by Miss Sandara Park. Sobrang swerte, oh. But in behalf of Cancer, of course, thank you so much for being here with us. We enjoy. Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Sana, tuloy-tuloy na natin to. Oo. Dash number 2, on stage. Thank you so much. Forever young, forever youthful, and our forever love. Sandara Park. Batch number 3, you better get ready. Yes. Si Jamie.
Sikat siya!
Jamie, you want to say something? Go with your hands. You want to say something? Go with your hands. Kakaano na, you wanna eat later? Okay, later. Diet si Pity. Diet po siya. That's number 3. Get ready to smile. 1, 2, 3, smile. There we go. What's that pose called? Ano ba tawag ka? The heart pose. That small heart. So when I do this,
wow, guwapo!
Batch number 4. Better get ready. The hot pose. Again, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. The details are on the screen. This is Headshot Meet and Greet Sandara Park. Thank you guys, thank you. If ever sino gusto na makasama ni Dara, mag-post na ito. Sino? Sino? Kayo mismo, ang mga kasama na mag-post ng ganito later on the show. Kung ito na yung favorite part ko, ito yung favorite part ko. Ay, hindi pa pala. Alright. To all the Darlings PH who are with us right now, maraming salamat po. Thank you so much to all the people who went. Thank you. Maraming salamat. That was batch number 4, batch number 5. Miss Annie on the stage right now, commanding everyone. stage. Photo op with our Pambansa group. Thank you so much. Batch number 5. We're halfway there. Batch number 6. Again, sa mga hindi man nagawag, please follow the ushers who will be guiding you to the stage for a photo op with Sandana. She also be, and they have exclusive signed posters for each and every one of their members. And our official photographers will be taking their photos and they'll be uploaded on the Pen Shop Facebook page right after this event. So, madali lang we have the photos right there and share away, but also don't forget to like us on that website. Again, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, it's always at Pen Shop. Thank you. That's number 7. Taking their moment with our Asian superstar, Miss Sandana Park. Happy si Jackie, oh. Johnny, can you smile for everyone right here? Bravo! I'm looking at the next Pen Shop brand ambassador right here. Iba si Johnny. That's number 6 right there. I think Sandana would nail that one. That's number 7. Awesome. Again, be wary of your face, especially for this pair of glasses. And again, sa mga dito, safety first. Ayaw ko na yung nasasaktan. All we want is to see our idol. Wow! And the fans go wild after seeing that one. That's number 8. That's number 8 on the stage right now. That's number 8. Okay, busy. We'll have that chance to do it that way. But right now, some of the lucky fans are waiting. Our Asian superstar, Miss Sandana Park. Oh my gosh. Just look at this photo right here. Diba? Again, this event is brought to us by Pen Shop. While you're at the business, hashtag Sandana. That's Pen Shop. Batch number 8 is done. Batch number 9. Almost there, almost there. Batch number 9. For the fans on the stage, congratulations and smile away. You are 12 out of 150 people who will be getting this chance to have the photo op with Sandana Park. Batch number 10. We're on our way to that. Ano masabi mo? Ano masabi mo? Wala sinasabi. Wala sinasabi. Last three, dance number 10. Here we go. Oh. Alright, we're waiting for dance number 10 to be here on the stage. Pinapawisan na si Sandara, pero wala pa na naging ang force. Ganun siya maganda po mga kaibigan.
Tapos na to, sige talaga natin si Jackman.
Jackman!
Korean superstar na si Jackman!
Jackman! Jackman!
Jackman! Jackman!
Oh, Jackman is going up on the stage!
Sige, picture kami.
Jackman! Jackman! Yan o! Super cute! It's a PG! It's a PG!
Ay ko kayo.
Oh!
Sige, alis ka na.
Ayos na, ayos. Ako, I'm a big fan of Sandara. I think I have a photo with our papasang photo. Pwede ba ako mapag-picture sa'yo?
Siyempre.
Okay. There we go. Para bang muna rin, Miss Sandara Park! We're just so overwhelmed na nangyayari ng event na to. Hindi namin alam kung panaginip. Kasi isa kang matinding panaginip eh. Ganun katindi si Sandara Park. Do you have any message na naman makapangan natin and your message for Pink Shop?
Robbie, thank you. Sobrang saya ko ngayon na dahil ikaw host sa event na to.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you talaga sa Tensha. Bigay ng chance to be with my fans. Ngayon, nag-isa na ako. Pero sana next time, kasama ko ng members. Gusto namin talaga bumalik para mag-concert. So, supportahan niyo kami. And di na kayo pa uwi. Ayoko umalis. Kami
Huwag muna. Huwag ka muna umalis. Ikaw muna. Stay here. Stay in our heart. Siyempre.
Ang saya-saya ko dito eh.
Yun. Pero hopefully mangyayari yan again this year. This event will happen again this year. Yes, gusto na ito mangyari yun? Another meet and greet? Another concert for this Sandara Park? Yan ang talagang guys. Siyempre, thank you so much. Oops! Grabe. To miss
Thank you.
Sandara Park and Pink Shop. Para ba ako natin? Miss Sandara Park and Pink Shop. Thank you so much. And there we have it. Thank you for being here, Sandara. We had fun. And
Babalik pa naman ako ulit. So, I don't want to say bye. See you again next time. Tensha. Alis pa ako.
And you'll always be in our hearts. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, put your hands together for our Sandara Park.
Thank you. Mahal kayo. Ingat kayo. Bye.
Thank you so much.
Hindi ba? See you again. Thank you.
Never goodbye for Sandara. Always see you later. See you around next time. And of course, maraming salamat sa Pink Shop for making this event possible. Pink Shop is so much adored for everyone this season. And today, we had our idol Sandara Park, and you can expect to meet more of the brand's A-list endorsers later this year. So you better watch out for that one. In the meantime, once again, follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. We have our social media accounts right here. And kahit tapusin na yung event, pagpatuloy pa rin natin ipatrend ang Sandara X Pink Shop. That's it, guys. This has been Ronnie Domingo. Thank you so much for having me, Pink Shop. I love you so much. And again, this has been the Pink Shop Meet and Greet Sandara Park. Have a night, my friends.